Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to take a look at DSSPro chat server, but before getting started I would like to mention a few things. First of all, DSSPro chat server is a highly scalable multi-threaded server, so it's gonna be able to process a lot of traffic. Second thing, all the messages is gonna be logged to NoSQL Cassandra database. And the last thing is you can reply to any guy by just clicking on its message. Enough speaking and let's get started. So basically here we are talking about 7 channels. I will try to talk about all of it. I will start with normal channel. So basically if you are looking to send a message to all the guys that is close to you, you can just type whatever you want and press enter. You can see all the guys close to you will be able to see it, and it will be logged to their chat windows. Actually everything is reconfigurable here. Next we are going to take a look at the party, so all the guys inside the same party will be able to chat with each other. Let's try to send some messages. You can see that those 2 guys are on same party, so they will be able to chat with each other, and by simply clicking on the message you will be able to reply privately to the guy. So let's try to reply. Okay, can see that I was able to reply by just clicking on the message. Also you can send a private message by just typing the player name. For example, I will send it to the player on the top left. Here we go. Okay, so now I will try to talk about guild. All the guys inside the same guild across all server instances will be able to chat with each other. Okay, also those 2 guys are located on same guild, so they will be able to chat with each other. Next we are going to take a look at public. So basically if you are sending a public message, it's going to be broadcasted to all the guys across all the servers. All the guys should be able to see it. You can see here and here. Also this guy should be able to see the message. Okay, now I will try to cover 3 more channels, but I think not all of you is gonna use them. So here we have a channel to log everything to party. For example, if a player got some damage, it's gonna be logged to party. Or if it is picked, if the player picked an item, it will be also logged to party. The last two channels is basically, one channel is going to be used to send a message to only the server instance that the player located on it. Let's give it a try. You can see that only those 2 players will be able to see the message because they are located on same server instance. And the last one is that you can send a message to all the servers that is loading the same server map. And here we are talking about map 2. And here map 2. Here we are talking about map 1, so this guy should not be able to see it. Here we go. Okay, so now let's try to take a look at the Cassandra. Okay, so here you can see that all the messages are logged to Cassandra database. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you on another video.